It's Yakushi here at Finedon. We're here with Petrolheadonism Club in the show and shine area. Welcome for our first collaboration with Yakushi, and it's absolutely amazing. The array of cars, the modifications, the age, it's phenomenal. JDM heaven, and it's a lesson for me. I'm being educated today. Do I get a JDM car for my collection? Scoot, I'm thinking MR2, 91, 92, S2000 or RX-7. RX-7 is another level of money though. So one day we're gonna get that MR2 and maybe Scoot will have a company car, who knows. Right, go, enjoy, let's see what's going on. Ciao. So we're here with Datsun Ron's amazing Z car. Love this car. So we picked up with this at the Puma Sportswear event back in February, and here he is today. But hope you've enjoyed Yakushi. Hopefully Scoot's given you a good walk around the whole showground. We've had a great day and we look forward to another collaboration with Yakushi for Petrolheadonism powered JAP Day.